Hello everybody. In this video, I have discussed about IIT Foundation course offered at Jeminster Tutorials. IITs are the most premium institutes for engineering in our country, and admissions to IITs are done through two examinations, that is JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Approximately 10 lakh students every year all over India appear for JEE Mains, and the top 2,50,000 rankers in JEE Mains get a chance to appear for JEE Advanced. And based on the rankings in JEE Advanced, the admissions to IITs are done. For getting an admission in one of the good IITs in our country, a rank in the top 4 or 5,000 in JEE Advanced is preferred. Well, the numbers speak for themselves. 10 lakh students appearing for JEE Mains, and to get a good seat, to get a seat in one of the good IITs in our country, a rank in the top 4 or 5,000. It is therefore a good option to start preparing for these examinations a little early, that is somewhere when a student is in his 9th and 10th standard. It often happens that due to the pressures of 10th standard examinations, students tend to forget the important concepts that they've learned in 7th, 8th and 9th standard maths and science. Say for example Archimedes principle and laws of indices. The students who are watching this video, most of you might have forgotten them and a handful of you might even remember them. My point is that there is a list of all these important topics which are covered as a part of IIT Foundation course. Clearing these basics takes about 2 to 3 months, after which the students begin with the core concepts of JEE Mains and Advanced. It is not only important to know the concepts, but it is equally important to solve a lot of tricky problems based on these concepts. The problems that are solved at the end of the chapter in the exercise section are too straightforward and are based only on the results that you have learned in that particular chapter. By tricky and complex problems, what we mean is, say for example there's a problem, and to solve that you require the knowledge or you require the results from one particular chapter, and that has to be combined with some other result from some other chapter. This kind of problem solving ability is a skill, and that needs to be mastered with constant practice. With the help of all this training, students improve their chances of securing a better rank in JEE Mains and Advanced. Now, this video is not made to simply paint a colorful picture regarding the IITs or foundation courses for you. So we have dedicated the further part of this video in addressing some common queries that students and parents have regarding the foundation courses. So let's go ahead with the first question. Students and parents often say that they are not very sure about what their decision is. In such circumstances, can this course be really helpful for them? And if helpful, then how is it helpful? So, like I said that in this course, in the foundation course, you are learning the basics of 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th standard. It ultimately helps you perform better, or it just helps you learn science and mathematics of 9th and 10th in a better way. Also, say for example things don't go well with you in the foundation course itself, then it ultimately saves you from taking a wrong decision in the future. Moving on with the second question. Well, this is one of the most logical questions that I've come across so far. Students in 9th and 10th standard are yet to learn a lot. Are they really capable of learning the core JEE Mains and Advanced concepts? So, when it comes to a foundation course, there are certain topics in mathematics like permutations and combinations or binomial theorem which do not take any references from things that you learn in 9th and 10th. Such chapters which have no reference from things that you are learning in 9th and 10th are done as a part of the foundation course. Also, there are some topics which take references from some very few topics of 9th and 10th. So these few topics of 9th and 10th are initially covered, and after doing them, the core JEE Mains or Advanced concepts based on them are taught to the students. Well, this is why I had said in the earlier question as well that going ahead with the foundation course helps you learn better in 9th and 10th standard as well. So in one word, if I have to answer this question, it is yes, students are capable of learning the core JEE Mains and Advanced concepts. Moving on to the next question. Students already have a lot of pressure of 9th and 10th standard study load. In addition to all this pressure, how can they manage the foundation course study? At Jeminster Tutorials, we are taking just one lecture per week of 2 hours, and considering that a student joins us in 9th standard, we get approximately 100 to 120 hours with a student, and this much time is sufficient for us to cover a lot of content of JEE Mains and Advanced. Also, we understand that the 10th standard board examinations are important for a student and they need sufficient time to practice for this. So we do not put any extra workload of homework on the students. We make the students practice and learn in the class hours itself. The next question, how do we monitor the progress of a student? So based on the JEE mains and advanced pattern, we have online tests which are conducted at Jevin Shah Tutorials, and based on your score in these online tests, you can predict how well you are performing in the concepts that you have learned. Moving on to the next question and the last one in this video. What is the fee for IIT Foundation course at Jevin Shah Tutorials? Well, I am not disclosing the exact figure in this video. Let us just say that it is minimal, and the best part is right here. For all students who join us in this IIT Foundation course, we are waiving off the entire fee if the student continues with us in 11th and 12th standard. This is where I am done with discussing whatever I wanted to discuss in this video. Do share this video with your known ones, especially the 9th and 10th standard students. And I am looking forward to most of you joining us for your future preparations.